What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rack Babyface Z. Today, we're installing new headlights. If y'all see my last video, I need new headlights due to the turn signals going off. I got my mechanic here. He's finna do them for me. Use the lights right here. Yeah, it's cold as hell. Feel like I'm in the rack. Why the fuck is so motherfucking cold right now? Your key. The wheel lock key? Yeah. It's probably in the driver's side. I mean, passenger is in here. You want me to get it?
Yeah, we're gonna take the wheels off. I can't get this thing.
Alright, YouTube, we just put it on a thingamajig. Man, it's cold. Alright, YouTube, I gotta straighten out my wheel. Take the damn bumper off. No back. Oh, fun. Oh, fun. I just want to say I came a long way, y'all. Like, it's crazy. Like, look at Red Lotto. You know how much money I done put in this car, fuck? You know how much money I done put in this car? Bitch ass nigga.
One thing I hate about keys.
What?
They're so long, it takes away the torque. That's what takes them so long to come off.
Yeah. So right now, y'all, he's taking off the plastic cover. All right, YouTube, taking out the lining right now. Man, that thing big as hell. Yep.
It's just not a lot of space.
Now he's doing the other side. One fender liner. That's what it looked like. All right, YouTube, we taking out the front bumper.
Of course, yours have the bumpers.
Took all the clips out. Hey, YouTube, it's cold, man. He took out the front bumper, as you can see. Now we just gotta replace the headlights. It's a lot to put the headlights on. We gotta take the fender off, take the rim. It depends if your car lowered. Gotta turn the wheel. Fender liner, the rims, you gotta take that off. And the fog lights. What else? And the clips, a lot of clips. And you gotta raise it if it's lowered. All right, YouTube, I just put the first one in. My Marcus did. These are the original ones that was in the lights. They're high and low beams. We put, and when y'all replace the high and low beams, if you got the same 2015 and up, your Terminator lights, they're pretty good with the, so if you need these, let me know deep down in the comments. I put the link. So we got both of them on. Got the left and right one on. I'm about to check and make sure it works. It's cold, y'all. I'm sorry I ain't doing too much recording. It's freezing. It's like 28, but it feel like it's 19. All right, YouTube, I'm back at the motherfucking crib. It's cold as hell outside. But please like, comment, and subscribe on the vid. Fuck no bad. Show me some love. Show me. Next video gonna go crazy. Y'all keep on running up them views. I might buy some more parts. You hear me? So I just want to say I appreciate y'all.